everyone. My name is Uma Magiswaran Devendran.
My name is Pavanesh Balakrishnan.
My name is Yogesh Raj Raja. We are representing our school SAGT Ladang Silia in presenting today's experiment. The project title is Neon Air Purifier.
Problem statement and aim. It is well known fact that the world is getting hotter. Two readings around the globe have been ascending since the Industrial Revolution. The increase in temperature has impacted our day-to-day routine so much so that in recent times, since the invention of the air conditioner, we have been able to control the weather inside our home. Air conditioners can truthfully be a lifesaver in helping to battle hot weathers.
Motive and purpose for creating invention. The increase in the global temperature forces us to seek refuge with the heavy air conditioner usage. This homemade air conditioner project is to help those who cannot afford to own one because it is very cost effective. On the other hand, this Neon air purifier can be operated anywhere considering the fact that it does not need direct electric source. Hypothesis. The higher the amount of natural herbs, the higher the content of antibacterial substance in the hair flow.
Characteristics and creative features of invention.
Neem ice cube is a coolant, save cost, reduce requirement for electrical energy, easy access, eco-friendly, avoid electrical energy wastage, can replace alternative electrical energy, recyclable.
Very good.
Materials: polystyrene, neem as a coolant, ice cubes, glue, scissors. Apparatus: fridge fan, pipes, wires, steel net.
Precaution. We should not on the switch with wet hands. Be careful when handling the sharp materials. Scissors. Procedure. Prepare a polystyrene box. Add more polystyrene pieces on top of the polystyrene box to fix the fan. Add herbal ice cubes into the purifier. Purifier air will be released from the fan. Results. We have used many natural ingredients like lemon skin, orange peel, Indian herbs and also pandan leaves to produce the fragrant herbal purifier.
The lemon skin used produce the higher fragrance. Vitamin C in lemon skin helps to make the air better around us during this COVID-19. Observation. Among all the natural ingredients used, lemon skin based ice cubes produce the highest and longest fragrance. The fragrance is better when the room space is better.
Conclusion. This idea is based on our current situation in Malaysia. As we know, we are having a pandemic crisis due to COVID-19. Breathing is the most crucial to be taken care of with utmost care. Thus, our innovation is going to be a great contribution for our current condition to provide the aromatic air with antibacterial substances.
Contribution and marketability of invention. This invention can help our country to develop in science and technology. By using and exposing citizens about our invention, they would be able to create a homemade antibacterial air conditioner.
By introducing this invention, we will be less dependent on conventional air conditioner which needs high electric